All right, guys, this is just a real quick video before the dyno. I got some 2-inch primary Kooks headers from G8only.com coming, and I got a Jokerz Performance 5-axis CNC full tilt corded blower coming also. So let's see what she makes today on her original, wheels and tires that I dynoed the first time in, and then we'll see what she makes after, I guess. All right, let's go to the dyno. All right, guys, we are at Backstreet Performance in Medina. Good old Eric. Here to pick up my pump and dyno my car. They actually have another white G8 here too. Let's see what my car makes today. Let's back it up on here. First pull, baseline pull, no tuning. 742 and 727 torque. Hell yeah. Okay, just got home from the dyno, guys. All I wanted to do was 2 base pulls, to just get my power level right now before I do some changes. Did not do any tuning, did not put any ice in my ice tank, and the belt was slipping. Should see 18 PSI on my pulley setup, but I only saw 14. I think I peaked and possibly touched 15 at the top of a shift. And I didn't really let it cool down. These are back-to-back runs. So first run, 742, 727 torque at the wheels. Second run, 736 and 728 torque. My air fuel stayed in the 12:1 ratio range. And then here's my conditions. So for that red best run, I was at, it was at 78 degrees Fahrenheit that day, 8% humidity. It's the SAE rating scale. All right, let's see what I can make after I put a Jokerz blower and Kooks headers on it, guys. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. All right, bye-bye.